Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make columns in Figma. First, select your frame or artboard. Then, navigate to the right sidebar and locate the Layout Grid section. Click the plus icon to add a new grid. This initial step is crucial for establishing the foundational structure of your design. We will explore the various. Once you have added a new layout grid, click on the grid icon to open its settings. From the drop-down menu, change the grid type from grid to columns. This action transforms your basic grid into a structured column system. You will immediately see a default column layout appear on your canvas, ready for further customization. Defensive prowess is key to winning matches. Learn to apply pressure effectively using standing and sliding tackles, timing them precisely to win the ball without fouling. Rapidly switch between players to cover passing lanes and close down attackers. Focus on anticipating opponent passes to intercept them and position your defenders to block incoming shots. A strong defense, built on good positioning and timely actions, will frustrate your rivals and secure your goal. Employing columns effectively brings order and consistency to your designs. They help align elements precisely, ensuring a clean and professional look. By maintaining consistent margins and gutters, you create a harmonious visual flow. Columns are also invaluable for building responsive layouts, allowing your designs to adapt gracefully across various screen sizes. Master these techniques for superior design outcomes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.